Good morning, everybody. RIB here, inspirational coach, speaker, author. But you know that already. So today, 21 Day Positive Quotes is what I'm doing on my Facebook page. And I like to share some of the stuff with my YouTube audience as well. So today's quote is appreciation is elevation. Appreciation is elevation. Now, I've got a 4-year-old and a 6-year-old, and they're mixed race kids, right? So I'm obviously black, Jamaican background. My partner is from Indonesia, right? Jakarta. We met in Sydney. Now our kids are this beautiful milk chocolate color, right? And they're gorgeous kids, right? But here's the thing: I grew up, clearly I'm a black man, right? But I grew up for the first 14 years. Part of me thought I was white, because even though the children's home was pejoratively black, at school for the first 14 years, I was the only black kid. So, so I identified with my friends, which were white, Caucasian. Now, for many of you watching this who are, mixed race in between, I know, 'cause I've got lots of friends who are as well, that you struggle with this. You struggle with your identity. You struggle with how you look, right? And for years, when I was growing up as a kid, like my nose is too wide, my lips are too big. I wanted to change all this stuff. And I was very depressed about it when I was younger, right? Because again, I was identifying with a different value structure, which is Caucasian, right? Even though I'm not. So 4 to 6-year-olds, 4 and a 6-year-old, our 2 daughters. So today, sat down with them, and this happened out of nowhere. It wasn't anything which I planned to do. And we were talking about our body, right? Because they've got a friend who they play with who doesn't like her body, who doesn't like the way that she looks, right? She doesn't like the color of her skin, because here in Indonesia, in Bali, like Jamaica, right? Like the lighter your skin as a woman, the more you're respected, right? Which is crazy, but that's kind of how it was in Jamaica, and how it is still for some here in Indonesia. So we were going through, biology / uplifting. Our kids, between the age of 0 and 7, are in the theta brainwave state. This is the state in which our unconscious bias is created, is programmed into us. Very aware of this, very aware. So as a parent, we have an enormous responsibility to program, and I use the word deliberately, to program our kids in a way that's going to be impactful, positive, and helpful for all of us going forward, right? So we spoke about the nose, right, and why it's important. It allows us to smell, right? What would it be like in life if you couldn't smell? Eyes and what they do, mouth and what they do, lips, what they do, hair, ears, armpits. We spoke about the elbow, right, which is a hinge joint. We spoke about the knee, which is another hinge joint. Feet, right? Feet. My feet are not good-looking feet, people. Operations, hammer toes, bunions. Oh, it's like a minefield. But I love my feet. And I was passing this on to my kids today. I love my feet because they allow me to walk around. They allow me to run from one place to another if I want. I love my knees because it's a hinge joint. Without my knees, I couldn't extend and run and walk the way that I do, right? I love my hands, and I broke it all down, right? And it's powerful because they'll ask me questions. Daddy, why have I got this thing on my palm? And I got stuck on that one. And luckily, my partner Marina was like, it makes you unique. No 2 palms are the same, right? And we got into scars, what makes you unique. And we got into all of these things that make us unique, right? And then after that, where we brought it to was, but then all of us, no matter what our skin color, race, hair, eyes, we've all got these things. Obviously, some people have it in the sense of maybe they have an accident, maybe they don't have ears, maybe they don't have feet, maybe they have their legs amputated. Outside of all of that, I'm getting across to them, that we all have the same ingredients, right? So therefore, we can't, look down upon anyone else due to the color of their skin, whether they've got hair, whether they haven't got hair. All of this stuff we all have, right? We have common, our human body is a massive common denominator that we all have. And on that level, we're all one, right? And let's not even get into consciousness and collective consciousness. At 4 and 6, I'm not sure if I'll go that well in explaining that. Maybe tomorrow I might give that one a try. But this is why appreciation is elevation, right? Appreciation is elevation for those reasons, right? So that's it for today. 21 Day Positive Quotes, right? Look forward to seeing you next time. Trust that resonates with you guys, all right? Lots of love, everyone. Bye for now.